Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to do your Hillshade map using QGIS. Okay, so to do that, I will come over to layer, then come to add layer, then I will come over to add vector layer. Okay, so after doing that, I will navigate to where I have my data. Okay, click on the layer, click on open, then click on add. Okay, so the layer has been added to the QGIS interface. Okay, so here is my study area of interest that I have been clipped out. Okay, so to do the Hillshade, I will come over to processing, then click on toolbox. Okay, then I will come to this search, then I will search for Hillshade. Okay, then right click on it. Okay, the Z factor I will leave it to be the way it is. Then the azimuth I will make it to be at 315. Then the vertical angle I will make it to be at 45. Okay, after doing that, I will navigate to the folder that I want to save my work and give it a name. After clicking on save, I will click on run. Okay, so now our Hillshade map is ready. Okay, you can see where we have hills in the map. Okay, you can also see where we have water body. Okay, in the map. So guys, that is how to create Hillshade map using QGIS. Please do wait to hit on the subscribe button, share the video to others so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.